Do, 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 do. What's this? What's that camera doing there? Billy? Is that a camera? That's my camera. Why is it recording? What's this doing here? What is this? American Idiot, the 21st Century Breakdown. With a poster? You just wanted to show me a freaking poster that I drew? What's this doing here, man? What is this doing here? I don't know, man. But I gotta find... Wait. American Idiot, 21st Century Breakdown. Wait. This is my movie idea. Where are you showing my movie idea for, unless... Oh my god. Oh, crap. Whoops. Bended it. We're making another episode of The Billy Show? No! 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 Please don't! Please don't, producers! No! Not another Billy Show, please! I hate him! I freaking hate him! Do not make another episode. Please, please, please don't make another episode. I thought this was a gag. I thought it was a joke. I didn't think that we were going to actually make a real show out of him. Why don't I have my own show? How come you give him a show and I don't get a show? I mean, I know I'm the co-writer, co-director, and, co-writer and director. I mean, I'm the full director and director of photography. I'm the one that's in charge of the whole camera scene, but how come I don't get... Wait, no. Don't press that button. No, 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 no. Don't press any button. Don't. Please, please. I swear. I won't say anything. I won't say anything. No! No! The Billy and Wait. Sorry. The Billy Show. By himself. Crap. Go. There you go. Get out of here. What? Time. Try to be alone. There's always someone watching me on YouTube. What? What the crap was that? Gotcha! Here! Is it? Here. Up there! It's hunting season. Ah! Okay, what the crap is this, man? Aww.